At, on, or in. Number 1. I was born blank July. In plus month. Number 2. I was born Japan. In plus country. Number 3. I was born blank 1976. In plus year. Number 4. I was born blank 6 p.m. At plus time. How about number 5? I was born Thursday. At, on, or in. Prepositions of time. At is used for time. On is used for days. In is used for months, seasons, and years. Number 1. Blank September. September is a month. Right. In September. Monday. Monday is a day. On Monday. Day on Monday. Number 3. Blank a.m. 8 a.m. is time. Use at 8 a.m. Number 4. Blank 2005. Year. Right. In 2005. Number 5. Winter. Winter, like summer, is a season. Use in winter. How about number 6? December 4, 1995. At, on, or in. Share your answer in the comments. Prepositions of place. In, on, and at. In is used for city and country. On is used for road and street. At is used exact location. Let's have these tests. My house. Exact location. At my house. Main street. Street. Right. On Main Street. How about Cebu City? City. In Cebu City. 56 Wilson Street. Exact location. Exact location. On or at? Right. At 56 Wilson Street. The train station is an exact location. Exact location. Right. At the train station. How about Thailand? It's a country. Right. In Thailand. How about the last one? Highway 54. Is it in, on, or at? Prepositions. In, on, and at. Home. At home. Stage. On stage. The beach. At the beach. The house. In the house. Work. At work. Right. At school. In or on. A car. In. A train. On. A bus. On. An airplane. On. A ship. On. A truck. In. How about this one? In versus at. Cebu. It's a place. In. The church. Specific place. At the church. The restaurant. Establishment. Specific. At. The city. Within the city. In. The school. Within the school. In. The plaza. Specific place. At the plaza. Follow for more.